What is a normal size for a penis? Hi, my name is Dr. Philippa Kaye, and today I'm going to be answering your questions about male sexuality and male sexual health. What have you always wanted to know but were too embarrassed to ask? Can you break your penis? Well, technically the penis doesn't have any bones, but rarely you can have a penile fracture, and that's generally due to trauma. When you get an erection, your penis fills with blood, and actually there are two sort of cylinder-shaped cavities called the corpora cavernosa that fill with blood. And if you have a penile fracture, it's the lining of those cylinders which can rupture. It tends to happen due to trauma. Perhaps you come out of your partner and then bang against their pelvis, or if the penis is bent suddenly. And if that happens, there tends to be a popping or cracking sound. There can be sudden onset of severe pain, and you might notice that the penis becomes discolored and swells. In fact, some people describe it as looking a bit like a purple aubergine. If that happens to you, you need to head down to A&E because the treatment is with surgery to repair that lining. What does normal semen look like? Semen has a jelly-like consistency, a little bit like egg white, and it tends to be white or even a light grey. And on average, you produce about 2 to 5 mils of semen when you ejaculate. That's about a teaspoon. And it actually has an alkaline smell, a little bit like bleach, and that's to counteract the acidic pH which is in the vagina. If you notice a change to your semen, perhaps it's changed colour, maybe it's yellowish or green or pink or blood-stained, do get it checked out with your doctor. Is it normal for a penis to curve? Penises come in all shapes and sizes, and you might notice when your penis is erect that it points straight upwards or straight downwards, or that it has a slight curve or bend to the left or right. If your penis has a more significant curve, or it's causing you pain or difficulties when you're having penetrative sexual intercourse, then please do see your GP. There is a condition called Peyronie's disease where there is a more significant bend, and that has lots of treatment options, including things like suction devices and surgery. So get it checked out if you're worried. What is a normal size for a penis? Now, the first thing to say is that research has shown that people tend to underestimate the size of their penis. Now, historically, having a large penis has been associated with the idea that it might make you more virile or more masculine or more fertile, and that's simply not true. Now, the size of penis will obviously vary between people, but on average, a flaccid penis is about 9 centimeters long, but that does not mean that there is something wrong if yours is smaller or larger than that. And when erect, they tend to range between about 13 to 18 centimeters in length. Research has also shown that women are more likely to say that they are satisfied with the size of their male partner's penis than the male in that partnership is. And the last thing to remember when discussing male-female penetrative sex is that most females will not reach orgasm from penetration alone, and as such, the size of the penis may well not matter. Feel free to share this video, and if you have any embarrassing questions or concerns that you're worried about, please do go and see your GP. In all likelihood, we've seen or heard it before and hopefully can help.